Have you ever removed a green screen and it looked like this, and you want it to look like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to remove green screen like a pro. No green edges, no weird glow, just a clean Hollywood level key. But before we dive in, let me introduce myself. My name is Soundsboy. I help content creators, YouTubers, video editors level up their editing skills using mobile apps like CapCut and VN. So if you are looking to improve your video editing game, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button. Now let's get started. The number one mistake people make is that they think that software will fix their green screen. But if your green screen look like this, then software won't be able to fix it for you. That is why you have to shoot it right first. Since I'm using natural sunlight, I have to be extra careful with the light change. You understand? Here is how I shoot mine. First of all, you have to shoot when the light is very bright. You understand? When the sunlight is, let me say, very natural, you get. Number two, stay consistent. You can shoot under a shade to be able to control the light very well. You understand? Number three, this number three now, make sure you're not shooting with any cloth that has green. Let me show you an example right now. As you can see, if I should key this out now, you observe that this part of my body that has green now will not be showing. You get? So make sure you're shooting without clothes that has green. You understand? Make sure there's no green in your clothes when you're shooting. So this way you can still achieve pro level green screen without studio lights. Now let me remove the green screen the right way in the CapCut app. So what we're going to do first is to import our clip into the CapCut app and add our background. So first of all, let's open the CapCut app, click on new project. So first of all, I'm going to add the background I want to use for the video first on the timeline. Then my video will now be as overlay. So I'll increase the length to the length of my video, but let me just leave it here. Then I'll add the video. I want to remove the chroma key. I want to remove the green screen as my overlay. So you click on this overlay right here, click on add overlay, then come to video. This is the video I recorded. Once you have added your video to the timeline, the next thing to do is to cut your video where you want it to start from. Let's say I want to cut it here. Alright, I'll click on this split, then I'll delete this first part, then I'll move it to the beginning. So since it's here now, the next thing to do is to zoom it into the video. Easy, then position it. Then the next thing I'm going to do, since you can see that my background I still have some background on it, I'll first of all mask this video. So I'll click on mask, click on rectangle. So I'm going to move it this way, move it this way, then move it this way. Since I'm done, I'll click on check mark, then I'll click on remove background. If I click on remove background, I'm going to click on chroma key, then I'm going to select the green color. Once I select the green color this way, I'm going to increase the intensity to about 55, clean up, I'll raise it to 20. Then this secret I'm about to show you now, you won't see it on any other video. So you go to adjustment. Once you click on adjustment, you look for HSL, click on the green, take down the saturation. If you observe very well now, you won't be seeing any green edges on my video. Once you are done, the next thing to do is to add blurriness, add depth to the background, because if you just leave it this way, let me play it for you to see. Recently I've observed that as you can see, the video looks a kind of fake, but let me add background blurriness to it. I'll show you how it looks like. So to add that, you just click on this effect here, click on video effect, then you look for blur. This blur. So I'll click on adjust and reduce it to about 25. Click on check mark, and I'll take it from beginning to where I want it to end. Let's say I want it to end here. You get? Let me reduce my main clip too. Alright, so this is how it is. Then if you want to add seats, let's say you want it to look more advanced, you want to add a chair behind it, you click on add overlay. I've already downloaded the chair I want to use, but in my next tutorial I'll be showing you how I edit all my YouTube videos, that is adding the way it look professional, just the way these my videos look, you understand. In my next tutorial I'll make that, but let me add a chair for you guys to see. Just click on the seat, you zoom it a bit, drag it down, zoom it, drag it down, then you click on layer. Once you click on layer, you take it back so the chair will not be behind you, then you position it the way you want it to be. Once you have positioned it, you just take it from the beginning of the clip to the end. That's all. I think your video is now looking very perfect. Recently I've observed. So the next thing to do is to color grade this video. If you really observed very well, now you see that my clip is not the same with my subject. That is the background and me talking. We are not of the same color. So what I'll just do is to go to adjustment. So you click on brightness, increase your brightness a bit. Click on contrast, increase your contrast. Click on saturation, bring it up a bit. Click on brilliance, take it down to give you that reddish feeling. Click on sharpness, add the sharpen. Then click on graph, bring it down a bit here. Then click on highlights, you take it down. Shadow, you bring it up a bit. Then temperature, you take it down. Then hue, you bring it down a bit. Then click on filter, add this, and our video is good to go. Let me play it again. Recently I've observed that and that is how to remove a green screen like a pro. But wait, are you looking for a free video editing app with no watermark and pro features like CapCut? Here is a tutorial I made on that, so if you're interested, click on it. If this helped you, make sure you drop a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what effects you want me to cover next.